Hey guys, how you doing? Working on my 1990 BMW 735i air conditioning. It will charge, but within 24 hours it'll deplete, and it's leaving a bad smell in my car and the garage. So if you can hear that, there is hissing coming from in here. Okay, I've sprayed down all these joints with soapy water and nothing. Never changed the tone of the air leak and no bubbles. And I sprayed it all down on this side of the little radiator here. I don't know if it's called the condenser. I'm getting them all mixed up now. But the sound is coming from back in here. So I really don't know what these look like. I gotta get on the good old Google here and start looking this up, or Beam Reforms, and find out what's going on in here. I know I did read at one point that if you can hear air leaking from the vents outside, that this is the problem. But I'm not too sure how this unit slides out. Like, I don't know if it's just sitting in there. I remove this. I really don't even know where to start. I do have a Bentley manual, and it's not really going into detail on how to correct this. So I don't know. If you guys have any options, please let me know in the comments. But I'm going to probably spend the evening now on Beam Reforms and try and figure this out. Thank you.